2020 BMW pickup truck. Usually, when we see an independent pickup truck study from an automaker that has yet to announce their intentions for the segment, it's mostly something that reflects that particular brand's present-day design language. Such was the case with BMW pickup truck rendering from last February, which seemed like somebody strapped new headlights on an X5 and made it look a bit more modern and rugged. Of course, there's nothing wrong with that, although if you want to take things further, you could do what designer t.k did here, and think of something that looks out of place in the carmaker's current lineup. After going through these images, it looks pretty mean, especially from the front. The profile is aggressive as well, but that front end looks like it belongs on something that plays the villain in a RoboCop movie. As for the rear, you could say it's a bit too simple, although the taillights are somewhat BMW-ish. Perhaps if they were stretched out a bit more, the truck would have looked better from that angle.